Welcome back to Automobiles. Today we're diving deep into one of the boldest trucks of 2025, the Mansory Ram TRX. Known for redefining luxury and rugged power, Mansory's take on the TRX brings an entirely new flavor to the already aggressive pickup world. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that captures your attention is the sheer presence of the truck. Mansory has added a full carbon fiber wide body kit, giving the Ram TRX an even more muscular stance. The hood is redesigned with sharp carbon fiber details, new vents for better cooling, and an aggressive look that screams performance. The front grille is completely blacked out, featuring the Mansory signature pattern, while the bumper is reinforced and sports extra carbon fiber elements for a race-inspired feel. The LED headlamps are sleeker, sharper, and feature dynamic indicators that add a futuristic touch. Moving to the side, massive carbon fiber fender flares accommodate the enormous 22-inch forged wheels wrapped in off-road tires. The side mirrors, ductor handles, and even the fuel cap are finished in exposed carbon, showing off Mansory's obsession with premium materials. There's a new running board design that retracts automatically, making entry and exit more comfortable. And don't miss the Mansory badges placed tastefully across the exterior, reminding you that this isn't your standard Ram TRX. At the rear, the changes continue. The tailgate is customized with a carbon fiber cover and a redesigned bumper, improves both aesthetics and durability. The massive dual exhaust tips are crafted from titanium and positioned aggressively, not only looking great, but also sounding even better. A roof-mounted LED light bar and a rugged spare tire mount in the bed complete the exterior package, making this truck ready for both luxury highways and brutal terrains. Peeking inside the cabin, Mansory has reimagined the TRX's interior with premium luxury. Every inch is covered in fine leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The seats are completely redesigned for extra comfort and support, finished with custom stitching and Mansory logos embroidered into the headrests. The dashboard is updated with a carbon fiber trim, and the steering wheel is a mix of leather and Alcantara for the perfect grip. Even the floor mats are bespoke, giving you a sense of exclusivity every time you step inside. While the layout remains similar to the stock TRX, the materials and attention to detail elevate the interior to a whole new level. As for pricing, all this luxury and performance don't come cheap. The 2025 Mansory Ram TRX is priced starting around $350,000, depending on the level of customization. Considering the standard TRX starts under $100,000, you're paying a serious premium for Mansory's craftsmanship, exclusivity, and unique design. Performance-wise, Mansory has taken the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 to another level. Thanks to engine tuning and a new high-flow exhaust system, the TRX now produces around 850 horsepower compared to the stock 702 horsepower. 0 to 60 times drop significantly, with estimates in the low 3-second range, making it faster than some sports cars while weighing over 6,000 pounds. The suspension is upgraded too, offering better off-road capability without sacrificing on-road comfort. The Mansory TRX is not just about looking good. It delivers brutal speed, insane off-road ability, and ultimate luxury all in one aggressive package. Thanks for watching Automobiles. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews on the world's hottest rides.